Hi. So the question is, how does climate change affect culture and the ways societies function? That's a really important question. And absolutely, climate change does impact culture and the ways that our societies work. So climate change causes more extreme weather events. It causes droughts, more extreme fires. It causes sea level rise. It means that things that we took for granted are less and less the case every single year. Even the changing of the seasons is less predictable. It means that normal cultural processes like passing down land and houses, it means passing down knowledge and care for certain landscapes and environments. It means care and interest in certain plants and animals, which are important to us, all become much more difficult. And while the environment has changed and is always changing, climate change has been accelerated and made so much faster that all these changes are happening so quickly, our cultures can't keep up with them right now. Important cultural sites that might be created by humans, like big monuments or burial grounds, are becoming increasingly damaged because of the extreme weather events I mentioned. And even places which we didn't create, certain forests or meadows or great cliff sites and all sorts of beautiful things in the environment which people care for a great deal about and that play cultural significance for many people, these are being damaged or disappearing as well. Indeed, whole cultures at times are being displaced. That means needing to move away. For example, people who live on the Solomon Islands are in a strange situation where even the very home islands that they draw their identity from are at risk of going underwater, and their culture can never be the same if they need to move. And that's caused by climate change. Perhaps the biggest change globally that's come about culturally from climate change is the way that we think about the environment. So we can't really think about the environment anymore as just the place that we get timber and firewood, that we mine metals from, that we might occasionally go bushwalking in, but that just sort of ends at our front door or at the city limits. Climate change has shown that even small impacts in the environment can have very big impacts on us. So culturally, we need to recognize, and we are increasingly recognizing, that we are part of the environment as well. Some cultures already knew this, but it's no longer a message that we're able to ignore. That definitely, I would say, is the biggest cultural impact from climate change, or at least one of the most interesting. Thanks.